Hello, welcome back. How are you? I am Tayyab, your host, and today this is the part 3. Today we discuss about how to make money, and how to make money. How to make money by selling your stories and videos. If you have an interesting stories, then you could try telling it to the papers or a viral social media company. You will need at least one photo and or ideally a video. One of the save the student team was unfortunate enough to have a pigeon fly through and smash their window at university and sold the story to the son of the 30 TD at $100. Some national TV programs, like you have been informed, will also pay you up to $500 for funny footages or just publish it yourself on YouTube with ads. Okay, the next is how to make money online by making YouTube videos. According to recent stats, we now watch more videos on YouTube than search on Google's. And with the YouTube Partner Program, you can now profit from making and uploading videos. You will receive a percentage of the advertising revenue collected per thousand views, depending on how successful you are. Right, virality, watch time, subscriber base, and topic. You can make a lot of money, and there are plenty of stories every week of more and more YouTube making in their career. There is watch videos. If creating videos sounds like too much hard work, then getting paid to watch videos online has to be one of the easiest way to make money online ever. Rare Swagbucks, and Inbox Pounds are the most popular website, as they literally pay you to sit back and watch things like adverts and videos hoping to go viral. For more involved and rewarding opportunities, consider branching out of freelancers, typing up movies, subtitles, or writing film reviews. If watching videos or movies is your thing, you want to make money from home, head over to full list of ways to make money from watching videos. Source property for wealthy investors. We all know how much money there is in property, but on the surface, with house prices as high as they are, you might be thinking this market is off limits. Truth is, lots of people make a great deal of cash simply sourcing suitable properties for wealthy investors who simply have no time. The trick is to find properties below market value by avoiding estate agents and instead flattering your areas with your contract details offering to buy house. Then approach investor with a no barrier offer to pass on the details of cut price property in exchange for a percentage of the sales value. Okay, if you like my ideas, then hit the like, subscribe, and sub- comment and share my channel. Okay, see you in next video. Bye bye.